Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So for today's recipe, I'm excited to share with you a delicious and easy recipe for spiced yogurt and mint lamb. The tender lamb is marinated with a blend of spices, yogurt and mint, giving it a unique and delicious flavour. It's super easy to make, so grab your aprons and let's get cooking. So let's start off with our marinade. So in a blender we're going to add 15 grams of fresh mint, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoonfuls of thick Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoonfuls of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoonful of ground coriander, half a tablespoonful of mild chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and some salt just to season. Now we're going to pop the lid on and we're going to blitz that there until it's smooth. So now in a clean bowl we're going to add 400 grams of sliced lamb steaks and we're going to cover it with the marinade and leave it for 2 to 3 hours or overnight if possible. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button for notifications. It does help that I can make further videos for you. So now we're going to take a griddle, or you can use a frying pan. We're going to spray it with some low calorie cooking oil, and to that then we're going to top it with the marinated lamb. Now we'll just spread the lamb out all over the griddle just to make sure that it's all evenly being cooked. Now we'll cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or just until it's cooked through to your liking. As you can see, the lamb is starting to char, the yogurt's starting to go brown, and now it's nearly time to serve. Now I've just served mine with a little bit of salad and some pita bread. Now folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for spiced lamb. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.